Something like I will direct you, don't worry.
So this is India. What part of India? All India. Calcutta, Bombay.
Yeah. Good morning, Hare Krishna. We welcome to you in Rath Yatra today on Sunday, 26th June in Boston Common. All the people are celebrating this festival for 25, 26, and 26 June. I am the chairman of Festival of India Committee, and now Dr. Ashok Kumar will give his idea on this occasion. Dr. Ashok.
Hare Krishna, it's such a great occasion to be able to involve in celebrating the Rath Yatra festival. I think we, all of us, the community members and the whole society will benefit by having darshan of Lord Jagannath. I think we have to try that more and more people participate in such festivities. Hare Krishna.
As a committee member. Now as a committee member, Mr. Amrut will give his idea on this Rath Yatra.
Well, Rath Yatra is the biggest festival in India, and we are celebrating in Boston, which is 16th Rath Yatra, and it shows the Indian culture, how it blends with the Western culture. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. This is Daksha Bednayak, and she is the in charge for the all entertainment program on the Boston Common culture activity. Daksha, you give your idea.
Jai Jagannath! Jai Jagannath! We'll see you at the festival site. We'll have a nice cultural program. Jai Jagannath.
Come on, hurry up. Hello. Hare Krishna, this is all the kids. Now we are asking the kids for the Rath Yatra festival, what is their opinion for the kids. What is your name? Atiri. Okay, now Aditi is giving her idea regarding the Rath Yatra. How you feel?
Good.
Why you came here?
It's a festival of Jagannath.
Okay. Why you came here? How you enjoying? Good. What's your name?
Prakriti.
What's your name?
Virya. Virya.
How are you feeling for today, this festival? What's your idea? You can tell anything?
Namina.
What's your name?
Samina.
How are you feeling today?
Good.
Okay. What's your name?
Noashua.
What is your idea regarding the Rath Yatra? Tell. Are you enjoying?
What?
You enjoying? Why you came here?
What? Are you enjoying it? Yeah.
What's your name?
Nitesh,
Why you came here?
to see how they do it up here and then India.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
Bhavesh, just came here to see how it's going and
What's your idea?
it's good.
Tash, I came here to see how it's like what's different between from India and from here. So I want to see like what's different and so, yeah.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. You can take care now. बिपिन भाई आओ जाइए Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. This is Dr. Pawan Sahani. He is my Secretary of Festival of India Committee of this year, and he's giving his idea regarding the how we are celebrating this festival. Mr. Dr. Sahani.
Rath Yatra is to celebrate Lord Jagannath and visiting the people and giving them darshan. It is one of the occasion where people feel the Lord has decided to come and give his darshan to them. And it is very important function in India and celebrated all over. So we are trying to celebrate here among the Indian community who believe in Hare Krishna and who believe in Lord Krishna and who believe in God.
You take this one. You take this one.
hold these people going.
It takes one shot of this.
Tomorrow also, 4 to 6. Anytime, just, you don't have to do anything. They don't even want your money.
लोग अपना काम छोड़ के दुकानों से निकल
If you want to talk to her and tell me she'll be very happy.
Ghana to come back.
Oh, excuse
Just over there.
Take the president.
We got rice.
We have, this is on swell.
Just give a little.
Where's the phone? What's the phone? You want Halloween? Should be here.
Hare Krishna!
We had straight on. bring him on the phone, yeah.
Just give me some.
Okay.
Then keep for 10 minutes for two guys, you know, those who are priests.
What it is, there's a great line for an individual like yourself, okay? You're an intelligent guy, you're a probing mind, you're a healthy skeptic, and I encourage that. They're responsible to assure members of their family.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Krishna,
Raja Swami, will you please give message for this Rath Yatra and what is this for?
Well, it's a long message that one could give for Rath Yatra, but basically you can see right here what we feel the Rath Yatra is for. It's an opportunity for people to come together, to learn about the tradition of Jagannath. Lord Jagannath is the Lord of the universe, to understand the cultural background behind the Krishna consciousness movement, and to learn how a God-centered festivals can actually be an opportunity for great inspiration and devotion to God. You see many people are coming here and learning about Krishna consciousness. Krishna consciousness simply means to learn how to work all of one's activities and to devote the fruits of one's work as a sacrifice to God. Here is Jagannath, is the Lord of the universe. He is revered and worshipped by thousands and millions of Hindus throughout the world. And Jagannath Puri, this is a replica of a festival that has been going on for many thousands of years. There is 1 million people gather to actually pull the Jagannath cart throughout the streets of Puri. So here we are actually, it is a replica of that traditional festival that is going on in Jagannath Puri here in Boston. We're doing it in major cities throughout the whole world. And we want people to come to learn the glories of Lord Jagannath and the principle behind devotion to God. That is the meaning behind this Jagannath.
Oh, thank you, Swami. This is, why don't you want to introduce?
For Friends of Krishna, we are welcoming everybody to become members of ISKCON and visit our temple and chant Hare Krishna, Hare Rama and become happy. We believe that this is the only way to live.
What is Narayana Prabhu, your message?
Maybe, hold on. Maybe Jagannath there, shining. You know, it's an Indian event. You know, all Indians can come together here, and they have their own culture, and they can participate, and their own culture, and they participate and become happy and imbibe this God consciousness in their children. And this way, Srila Prabhupada came to America and established this Krishna conscious society to propagate pure Krishna Bhakti. And he also started Jagannath Rath Yatra, specifically for encourage Indian people to have God consciousness and pure bhakti to Krishna. And we are carrying forward this message and asking people to participate in this Rath Yatra and bring their children, participate in their cultural activities and all those things, and become our member. This way we are propagating Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna.
Food distribution. Hare Krishna.
What is your message for food distribution?
Well, we have hundreds of people gathered here for food distribution, and it's really blissful. A lot of people who have absolutely no idea about Lord Krishna, they're coming by and they're partaking the prasadam. And prasadam, for those of you who don't know what it is, it's food blessed by Krishna, which is very purifying effect, and it invokes devotion within a person and allows you to experience the power of Krishna inside of you, and invokes a lot of devotion. So I welcome all of you to come and partake this opportunity, the Festival of India, sponsored by the Hare Krishna International Society for Krishna Consciousness. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, Radhanath Swami, will you please give a message to our Boston community regarding this Rath Yatra?
Hare Krishna. This festival is very wonderful. Srila Prabhupada is showering his blessings. I'd like to thank all the devotees and friends that helped put this on, this very important festival. Hundreds and thousands of people today got the mercy of Lord Jagannath, and that will have a cumulative effect in the re-spiritualization of the world.
Thank you, Radhanath Swami. Hare Krishna. What is your opinion or message for Rath Yatra?
This is our traditional Rath Yatra. This is our cultural heritage from India, and we should try to preserve it even when we are away from our country. And we have taken roots in this country. Even then, we should try to preserve our culture. Hare Krishna.
Back to Godhead is the magazine of the Hare Krishna movement. It was started by Srila Prabhupada in 1944, meaning that next year will be its 50th anniversary. And it is filled with wonderful transcendental information about how to lead a more spiritual life, about how to prepare prasadam, how to make offerings to the deities, issues of general spiritual concern. It's truly a transcendental publication.
Okay, thank you very much, all the Rath Yatras, processions and everything. Thank you very much for everybody, those who are giving donations and everything. And this occasion, everybody's coming. So on behalf of the Rath Yatra committee and Festival of India and ISKCON, I'm very thankful to all of the people, those who are giving money and everything. So, Hare Krishna.
Very good.
So, thank you. रहेंगे।
All ages. Pretty soon they'll be singing Hare Krishna.
Okay, you're all set. Okay. Hare Krishna. Welcome to the 16th Annual Boston Rath Yatra Festival. My name is Jagar Sundar Das. I'm the temple president here in Boston. And it's a great pleasure a great privilege, I should say, to try to organize this festival for the pleasure of Lord Jagannath. And also, in so doing, try to give others the opportunity also to serve Lord Jagannath. Every year it seems to be growing in popularity. Here in Boston we're experiencing more participation, especially with the Indian communities around Boston. And there's more involvement in every aspect of the festival every year. And we're hoping that this will continue to expand in the future, and that we can have thousands of people like they have in Toronto, Montreal, Los Angeles. They have over 10,000 people every year. So we're very optimistic about our future of these festivals as we get more experience and become a little bit more well-known in the area, I guess you'd say, well-known. A lot of people don't know much about the Hare Krishna movement in Boston. We don't have so much exposure. But the fact is, this is a very ancient tradition. It has its roots in India thousands of years. We're not just a few Americans trying to become Hindus, but rather we're just trying to grasp onto the deep cultural and spiritual significance of the vast Vedic culture, which has been in existence beyond all national and social distinctions that are existing in the modern world. So thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
I see him walking. While Nityanand Swami is on his way, we have here Devika. She is going to sing another bhajan. In the meantime, Nityanand Swami will be here. I'll go catch him.
वो पेरेंट वहाँ है, तो क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर में है ना जो
There's just a few pictures and then we'll go. Okay.
Like this.